What's going on, guys? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. It's been about a week and a half since we've been in the Goodwill, so let's go check it out. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in. I'm not gonna be there that long. I wanna find just a handful of things that I can move and move quickly and scratch that thrifting itch. Let's see. Okay, remember the trick, guys. We're just looking for vintage because we're coming in and out quick. So what do? You look at the sleeves. You find that single stitch. More often than not, that means vintage. Like this one we looked at before. Okay, not vintage, still single stitch. It's not 100%. Kind of a cool one. Alright, don't walk in the shirts. Now a quick cruise to see if we can find any Levi's. That's all I'm really looking for. For those 501s. There's some nice stonewash. I don't know what that is. Vintage jeans. There we go. Levi's $5.59. 36, 32. It's a good size, but I don't think worth much. For some shoes. Nope, not steel toe. Floor shimes. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Okay, guys, look at this right here. Keep an eye out for that symbol. Here's what they look like. These are winners. We're getting these. We'll talk about these in a minute. Old Simon 2. Never seen this one. Hold on. Look at this. 1980. That art is awesome. Okay, there's a mask in here. The hair is coming off, so it looks like they tried to fix it. Otherwise, I would grab it. I like Halloween masks. That is another winner. And these don't sell for much, but they sell. Okay, so we didn't get as much shot in there as I was hoping. My hands got full quick. Let me show you what I got. First thing up is this guy, Paw Patrol. This is Chase. He's gigantic. He's probably 2 feet tall. Got a pumpkin. There's a little bit of stitching issue there, but you know, clip that off. It's fine. He's otherwise in very nice shape. There's only one of these listed. None sold, but only one listed, and they're asking like $54.95, I think. So it was worth $1.99 to grab that guy. These things, sold one of them before, vintage. Jingle jangle. They sell pretty solidly 10 to 12 bucks plus shipping, so you don't make a ton off of this thing, but again, $1.99. The sell-through rate is really good, so we grabbed that. These Vans I grabbed on my way out. I don't know, there's not a great sell-through rate on them, but they're just cool looking Vans. They're the Mallory, size 8.5. They're cool shoes and in really good shape. Little suede on there, skate shoes. So I grabbed those. These really good. These are On Cloud. These are fantastic shoes. That brand is one you want to watch out. Now you want to make sure that there's no damage or anything like that, but these, it's good. It doesn't seem to be separating. Really doesn't seem to be a whole lot of use to them. So I think these are really good. These could push about 80 bucks for used shoes. You find these new and you're looking at double that. These are good shoes to be on the lookout for. I've only found one pair before. They sold quickly. These will do the same. Now, this could be like an $80 game if it's all there. This is made by the same people that made Dungeons and Dragons. I mean, the artwork on there is so cool. Didn't open it up, didn't find out if it's all there, because the thing is, it was $1.99. I can part this thing out to complete other people's games if mine is not complete. So definitely worth grabbing. And then the other thing is this mounting hood. It's this piece up here. There's only one listed. It's at auction. It's got bids, and there's 3 sold. So there's going to be a couple people that bid on it that didn't get it, and mine is going to be there. So this is sold brand new for 50 bucks, and I have to look. It's open box, but I think mine's new. So again, $1.99. So we did pretty well in there, right? I rounded up. It was $21.94. Rounded up to support the programs, right? I do it every now and again. So we paid 22 bucks for all of that. We're going to make half of that back on the Apple, right? And it's going to sell really quickly. Those shoes, the On Cloud, those are going to sell quickly. And I think the board game and maybe even the Black & Decker piece will sell relatively quickly. I think we'll hang on to the Vans for a while. The Chase plush we may hang on to for a while, but the rest of it is going to move quick. It's going to pay it off. We're going to make money. Guys, thanks for stopping by. That's all I got for today. If this is the kind of stuff that you enjoy, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell. Is that a bell? I don't know how to make a bell. Hit the bell. That'll let you know when we drop new stuff, and we tend to do that on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and at least one on the weekend, and then the Monday night lives typically. So usually there's at least 5 new things a week for you to take in. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. I got to get home. I got to get this stuff listed.